Yo, what's up everybody, it's Rich, back with another video. We're diving deep into 20 emerging technologies that are straight out of science fiction, but guess what? They're real, and they're about to change everything. Alright, let's kick things off with the big one, quantum computing. They use these things called qubits, which can be a 1, a 0, or both at the same time. This both at the same time thing is what gives quantum computers their superpower. It lets them tackle problems that would take our best supercomputers thousands, maybe even millions of years in just a matter of minutes. We're talking about cracking the codes used for online security, designing life-saving drugs, and simulating the universe itself. Quantum computing is still in its early stages, but trust me, this is a game changer. Next up, we've got AI and machine learning. We're already seeing AI in our everyday lives, from the recommendations you get on Netflix to the spam filters in your inbox. But here's the thing, AI is about to get a whole lot smarter. We're talking about AI that can diagnose diseases with better accuracy than human doctors, predict financial markets with uncanny precision, and even create personalized learning plans for every student on the planet. AI has the potential to solve some of the world's most pressing problems, from climate change to poverty. Okay, let's talk speed. We all love fast internet, right? Well, get ready for 5G and 6G, because things are about to get insane. We're talking download speed so fast that downloading a 4K movie will feel like downloading a picture. But it's not just about speed. 5G and 6G are about connecting everything around us, from our phones and laptops to our cars, homes, and even cities. Imagine a world where your refrigerator orders groceries before you even realize you're out, where traffic lights adjust in real time to optimize traffic flow, and where doctors can perform remote surgery with zero lag. Chapter 4. Beyond reality, the AR/VR revolution. For a long time, these technologies were seen as just for gaming. But trust me, they're about to break out in a big way. Imagine attending a virtual meeting where you feel like you're actually in the room with your colleagues, even if you're miles apart. We're already seeing AR and VR being used in education, healthcare, and even retail. Chapter 5. The Internet of Things, a world of connected intelligence. We're talking about a world where every device, every appliance, every object is connected to the internet and to each other. Your refrigerator can tell your oven what you're cooking for dinner. Your car can talk to your house to make sure the temperature is just right when you get home. The Internet of Things is about creating a smarter, more efficient, and more connected world. Chapter 6. The Driverless Revolution, Autonomous Vehicles. Alright, let's talk about self-driving cars. We're talking about cars that can navigate traffic, obey traffic laws, and get you from point A to point B without you ever having to touch the steering wheel. Self-driving cars have the potential to make our roads significantly safer. Think about it. No more drunk driving, no more distracted driving, just cars making smart decisions based on data and algorithms. The future of transportation is driverless, and it's closer than you think. Chapter 7. Beyond Bitcoin, Blockchain's Real Potential. Blockchain is so much bigger than just cryptocurrencies. Imagine a world where voting is completely secure and transparent, thanks to blockchain. Or where you can track the journey of your food from farm to table, ensuring its safety and authenticity. Blockchain has the potential to revolutionize everything from finance and healthcare to supply chain management and government. Chapter 8. CRISPR Rewriting the Code of Life. We're talking about editing genes with incredible precision, like using a microscopic pair of scissors to snip and paste DNA. This means we could potentially cure genetic diseases like cystic fibrosis and sickle cell anemia. We could engineer crops that are more resistant to disease and drought, helping to solve world hunger. CRISPR is a powerful tool, and with great power comes great responsibility. It's crucial that we use this technology ethically and responsibly, but there's no doubt that it has the potential to change the world as we know it. Chapter 9. The Rise of the Robots, Advanced Robotics. We're not just talking about robots building cars in factories anymore. We're talking about robots assisting in surgeries with incredible precision, helping with disaster relief efforts in dangerous environments, and even providing companionship to the elderly. The key is to adapt and learn new skills, and to embrace the opportunities that robotics will bring. The future is collaborative, with humans and robots working side by side to solve problems and create a better world. Okay, let's get real for a second. Climate change is a serious issue, and we need to find cleaner, more sustainable ways to power our world. We're talking about harnessing the power of the sun with solar energy, the wind with wind turbines, and even the earth itself with geothermal energy. But it's not just about generating clean energy, it's about storing it efficiently and distributing it intelligently. The future is green, and it's powered by renewable energy. Alright, get ready for this one because it's going to blow your mind. Brain-computer interfaces, or BCIs, are literally merging the human mind with machines. We're talking about devices that can read your thoughts, control prosthetic limbs with your mind, and even allow you to communicate directly with other brains. Imagine a world where you can control your smartphone with your thoughts, or learn a new skill simply by downloading information directly into your brain. Space, the final frontier. We're living in an incredible time for space exploration with private companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin pushing the boundaries of what's possible. We're talking about establishing permanent bases on the moon, sending humans to Mars, and even mining asteroids for precious resources. Space exploration isn't just about satisfying our curiosity about the universe, it's about ensuring the survival of our species. It's about finding new homes for humanity, new resources to sustain us, and new knowledge to push the boundaries of what's possible. Chapter 13, Small Tech, Big Impact Nanotechnology. Nanotechnology is all about manipulating matter at the atomic and molecular level. We're talking about building things atom by atom, like microscopic robots that can deliver drugs directly to cancer cells, or materials that are stronger than steel, but lighter than a feather. Imagine self-healing materials that can repair themselves, incredibly efficient solar panels that can power entire cities, or even tiny sensors that can monitor your health in real time. Nanotechnology is about thinking small to make a big impact on the world. Chapter 14, Printing the Future. 3D Printing. 3D printing, or additive manufacturing, is changing the way we design, manufacture, and even consume products. We're talking about printing everything from houses and cars to medical implants and even food. Imagine a world where you can download a design for a new gadget and print it out at home. 3D printing is democratizing manufacturing, making it possible for anyone with an idea and a 3D printer to create something amazing. Chapter 15, Engineering Life. Synthetic Biology. Synthetic biology is about engineering life itself. We're talking about designing and building new organisms from scratch, organisms that can clean up pollution, create biofuels, and even manufacture new materials. Imagine a world where we can program bacteria to eat plastic waste or produce clean energy. Synthetic biology has the potential to solve some of our most pressing environmental and health challenges, but it also raises ethical questions that we need to address carefully. As our world becomes increasingly urbanized, it's more important than ever to create cities that are efficient, sustainable, and livable. Imagine a city where traffic flows smoothly, thanks to intelligent traffic management systems, where energy consumption is optimized, reducing waste and emissions. Smart cities are about using technology to improve the lives of citizens, create economic opportunities, and protect the environment. From the smartphones in our pockets to the airplanes in the sky, materials are the building blocks of our world. We're talking about materials that are lighter, stronger, and more durable than ever before. Self-healing concrete that can repair its own cracks. Ultra-efficient solar cells that can generate more power from the sun. Advanced materials are revolutionizing industries from aerospace to healthcare, making products more efficient, sustainable, and accessible. Remember passwords? Yeah, those are so last century. The future of security is all about you, literally. Biometrics uses your unique biological characteristics to identify and authenticate you, making passwords obsolete. Biometrics is making our digital lives more secure and convenient, and it's only going to become more prevalent in the years to come. For decades, scientists have been trying to unlock the secrets of fusion energy, the same process that powers the sun. Imagine a world powered by clean, safe, and virtually limitless energy. No more fossil fuels, no more greenhouse gases, just clean energy for everyone. Fusion energy has the potential to solve our energy crisis and mitigate climate change, but it's a challenging technology to master. Last but not least, let's talk about digital twins. Virtual representations of physical objects, processes, or even entire systems. We're talking about creating a digital twin of a factory, a city, or even a human body. This allows us to run simulations, test different scenarios, and optimize performance without any risk to the real-world counterpart. Digital twins are revolutionizing industries from manufacturing to healthcare, making them more efficient, sustainable, and resilient. So, there you have it, 20 emerging technologies that are shaping the future before our very eyes. From the quantum realm to the depths of space, we're on the cusp of a technological revolution unlike anything we've ever seen. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, hit that subscribe button to stay updated, and keep exploring because the future is full of possibilities.